Hello everybody, my name is Fred Otswong'o. I'm a patent agent in Africa, but I live in Kenya. Today we're going to look at regional patent filing. These are the options that one can use when he wants to file a patent. And as you all know, patent is protection for new inventions. The first regional patent filing office is called ARIPO. ARIPO means African Regional Intellectual Property Organization, and it's meant for English-speaking states. And these states are 19 as we speak today. When you file through ARIPO, for example, your patent will be covered in 19 countries, so you save on the cost of filing in every country. The other regional patent office in Africa is called OAPI. OAPI is like ARIPO but in French, and all it means is African Regional Intellectual Property Office, but it's Organisation Africaine Propriétaire Intellectuelle in French. So it also has 19 countries, and these countries are those that speak French. It means if your patent to be filed in French, then you need to target OAPI. And therefore, it's like ARIPO. OAPI is a very cheap and simplified mode of filing a patent in many countries. You do an application and you are covered in those countries. So in Africa, you can easily use two applications, so to speak, to cover 36 countries. Now, as you can see, 19 ARIPO, 19 OAPI, you enter 36 countries with 2 applications. Now, the other well-known regional patent office is called European Patent Office. European Patent Office is based in Hague, in the Holland, and Munich in Germany. Now it covers a number of European countries. So as you have seen with ARIPO, you use one application to get your protection in several countries. So there are other small regional filing offices, but those that are well documented under a World Intellectual Property Organization are those 3. We still don't have any organized regional filing office in Asia, in America, and in other parts of the world. So for today, I think we have looked at the 3 important regional patenting offices which you can use. So thank you very much. Until we meet again, Fred Otswong'o of FOIPA.